What is up, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to stop your PS4 from making noise. So first you're gonna find screws right here, and you're gonna find them with stickers on them. You're gonna need to take them off, but I already have them off, so that's not a problem. So then you're gonna start taking them all off. So once you've took them off, you're gonna flip the PS4 on its back. Then you're gonna start to just take it out. It's gonna loosen a little bit. Then just like that, it's out. You're gonna find a little bit of dust here. Maybe you have a lot of dust. So all you don't need anything. It's just a tissue. So once you've got some tissues, you're gonna need to get the bag that you got off. You're gonna start cleaning it. So once it's clean, like that, then now you just put it just next to it and then start cleaning. Don't get the tissues wet, because as you can see, it's now clean, so now you don't need them. So you're gonna get the back again, and then you're gonna see which part are you supposed to put it in. Right, like that. And there you go. So once you put the back on, you're just gonna flip the PS4 on the right side, and then you're gonna get the screws that you still have and then put them back in so it wouldn't slip off. Just like that. Put them all in, you're done, and you've got a brand new PS4 with no noises, and that's it. So that was the end of the video, guys, and if you found that was helpful for you, don't forget to subscribe and like that video, and watch another video right there if you want. And peace.